The new Xiaomi Band 8 is one of the best fitness trackers that you can get right now. Not only does it have a stylish design and tracks all of your sports, but it also has a great battery life and you can play games on it. But first up, let's check out some of the specs and the design. As usual, we have a pretty slim looking fitness tracker with a glossy glass frame with anti-fingerprint coating, which in all honesty doesn't work all that great. You see every single fingerprint on the sensor. This fitness tracker also comes with a rather large 1.62-inch AMOLED touch display with a brightness of up to 600 nits, which is 100 more than what we had with the older version. As for the dimensions, this fitness tracker is 48mm long, 22.5mm wide, and 11mm high, and only weighs in at 27 grams, which is nothing. So you don't have to worry about wearing it during your workouts or during the night. This one has a shape of a pill and you can change the straps pretty easily with the quick release feature and should fit on a wrist size between 135 to 210mm. I have a 19cm wrist and it fits alright. The last thing that is very important is that the Mi Band 8 is compatible with iOS and Android smartphone and it is water resistant up to 5 ATM. The battery life of the Xiaomi Band 8 is just great, as it's so tiny and doesn't have super lots of features. It doesn't need a big battery. On normal usage, you can expect to get about 16 days out of it without the always on display mode. And it takes about an hour to fully charge. With the always on display mode, this number will drop by a lot to just about 6 days, but of course it always depends on your usage and how many workouts you do, your brightness level, and so on. Next, we got all of the health trackers. First up, let's talk about the heart rate tracker. This one tracks all day and all night if you want to. You can also turn this one off or let it just track every 10 or 30 minutes. By default, it is set to smart tracking and I would suggest leaving it like this. You can also get high and low heart rate alerts, which you can set in the app and even directly on the tracker itself. The Mi Band 8 now also has a blood oxygen tracker, which I like a lot, and this one is very accurate as well. I got that little finger clip thingy and both gave me the exact same results, and also the heart rate accuracy in my resting state was very accurate as well. Right here I got the same numbers once again. The next one is the stress tracker and we have a sleep tracker on here as well, but keep in mind that all of these trackers are turned off by default for some reason and you have to enable them first once you set up this watch. The activity tracking is one of the core features. The Xiaomi Mi Smart Band 8 tracks over 150 sport modes bundled up in different sections like dance sports, combat sports, winter sports, board games, or even auto racing, but I don't know if they are talking about the real car racing or the RC car racing. It even automatically tracks some of your workouts such as walking and running, cycling, rope jumping, elliptical, and rowing. Right here I want to mention that you get different modes in which you can use the Mi Band 8. There is a normal smart band mode that most of us will use, but you can also set it into a necklace mode and use it like a closing piece. Like this, it will show you the time and tracks your steps. Then there is the pebble mode, which evaluates your running form. In this form, you have to tie it up to your shoes with an extra shoe clip that you first have to buy. Now you can start to run, walk, and cycle, and you get up to 13 different metrics like your stride length, stride frequency, impact force, and impact style, making it easy to adjust your running form in real time. After your workouts, you can also check out all of your stats and the activity history tab to see how pathetic your fitness level really is. Now just right quick, the navigation on the Mi Band. By swiping up, you will get to your app menu, swiping down takes you to your notifications, and right and left takes you through your different tiles. And if you want to, you can change the order of them in the Mi Fitness app. Alright, feature-wise, we get quite a bit for a fitness tracker. So we get some basics like a weather app with a weather forecast for the next 4 days, timer, stopwatch, alarm, breathing exercises, a music player which can only control the music on your smartphone, and a focus app. Right here you can set a timer to stay focused for a period of time. You have the vitality score. This one evaluates your current state of physical vitality and converts it into a vitality score based on the moderate and vigorous activities you have done over a 7-day period. The probably coolest part of this watch are the watch faces. By default there are 7 in total, plus you can customize them, but only the colors. In the Mi Fitness app there are plenty more watch faces. Right here you will find different categories like most popular, simple, formal, activity, stylish, and so on, in order to find your style of watch face a little bit faster. There are also extra ones for when you want to use this fitness tracker as a necklace with some very stylish and basic watch faces. Something new on the Mi Band 8 are the games. I mean, there are no app games, but they're for specific watch faces with some mini games on them. Like on one, you can build little bridges to get to the next pillar, and that goes on and on and on. And another one that you can do is play an air hockey-like game, but I don't really understand this one, how that works, and it seems that I always lose. As well as there is the remote shutter button on this tracker. With this one, you can take photos with your smartphone camera using the fitness tracker. And guys, there we have it. That's the Xiaomi Mi Smart Band 8. Now I've tested many other fitness trackers on this channel. Just click right here to get right to them. And I guess with that one being said, I will see you in the next one. Peace.